Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really quick video on these Santa sacks. So these were super popular last year. You had to order them online. They were sold out everywhere, and they're popular again this year. Now, one thing that has changed is you don't have to just order them online. These, for example, this one right here, I found it at TJ Maxx for $7.99. There is a ton to choose from. These are really big. I'll see if it has an exact measurement on here in a minute. If not, we will measure it. All right, so this one is by Queen West Trading Company. It's called the gift sack. It's quite big. But anyways, it comes, like I said, several different styles. I think there's even a gray and a red, but there's tons of different designs like this. It's $7.99 at TJ Maxx. Now, I also seen them at Michael's. So Michael's also carries them. And I think they're more around, I'm probably wrong, but they're either $7.99 or closer to like $5, which, you know, their stuff's 50% off, so it's probably even cheaper than that. But I did see these at Michael's as well. Now, I only grabbed one because I really don't need them, but I did want to show you a quick video of how you would do them. Another thing is if you have the Sawgrass SG800, because it can do bigger, there is a design for this on Etsy, and you could just print this out and you could go ahead and make your own stacks, because this is just canvas, which you could get you can get like a 50-50 blend and just do it on those. So that would be super cute. So you can make your own. That would be more affordable as well. You could also do this with the with vinyl, as well as you've seen where we've been doing some screen printing. You could do this with some screen printing. It's going to take a lot longer doing the different screens, but it's just definitely possible. That's what this is made out of on this one, is screen printing. So really quickly, once again, $7.99. I will throw out a quick measurement on these ones. Let's do like an average, just kind of figuring out. So it's 12. Let's see, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 inches wide by, let's see, 12. 24, so probably about 28 inches or so tall, and then like I said, 19 wide, so it's pretty big. And this one, for example, has both sides, so it's two-sided. It has the design on both sides, which I think is awesome. So I could add her name on, say, Emily on one side, and then I could add her last name on the other, or I could just do Emily and Emily. So I could do Emily and Emily. I'm just doing one side is all I'm doing. So I'm just putting the name on one side. First thing, I'm going to go ahead and pop these off because we're not going to need them. Now, the reason why I'm doing, she's my great niece. She was born early. I talked about her the other day. She was 3 pounds, 14 ounces. So, you know, a newborn, they're going to lose weight. She's still in NICU. I think she's about 3 pounds, 10 ounces, close to 3 pounds, 11 ounces now. She's doing great. And so I thought, you know what? I don't need these. My kids are grown. So I thought, you know what? We'll make one for Emily and we'll stuff it full of some blankets and stuff. It'll be super cute for a newborn. All right. So they're quite big. What I did was I cut out the name. I can't remember what font I used, but I believe it was one on the system. But I can't remember which one it was, and I didn't save the file. But mine is like 5 inches wide, so I did, 6 inches wide and about 2 inches tall. So in case you're wondering on that. So I'm just going to get that laid out. I'm going to go ahead and take my Cricut mat, because we're going to do it with the Cricut Easy Press so y'all can see. I'm going to get it underneath. I'm just going to make sure there's no bulk hanging underneath here, just like that, and we're going to be ready to go. It should completely fit over it, and it says 270 on canvas, since this is canvas, 270 for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and drop her down and hit go. So I'm going to try to give it some really good pressure since we're going on to canvas. All right, just like that. Now, what Cricut's recommended settings, this is glitter. They recommend that you'll flip it over. You can see how cute that is. And this is like glitter. I'm going to bring it up so y'all can hopefully see the sparkles. It's probably not showing in, but it's super cute. I love the font on that, and too bad I didn't pay attention. I'm going to flip it over. And now I know, obviously, this is the back area. I'm going to go ahead and get that back down. And it says another 15 seconds. All right, just like that, we're done. That was an easy project. These will be great for the smaller ones. Like I said, this is going to be for a newborn. I'm going to fill with blankets and some clothes and stuff like that. It'll be super cute. Another thing is there is tons of places to order these online, but I think it's just getting so close it's going to take a minute to come in. So you could look online, see if there's some places you can go ahead and maybe snag them now. But if you can't get them like that, go check your local areas. Check TJ Maxx, check Marshall's. I didn't really see personally myself. I didn't see anything at Hobby Lobby, but I did at Michael's, like I said, TJ Maxx, Marshall's, things like that. So hopefully you guys can go find these, and I will see you guys on the next one.